Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa tea from powder. First, you will need to gather your essential ingredients: Moringa powder, hot water, and a mug. This simple method ensures a quick and nutritious beverage. We will cover the precise measurements and ideal water temperature to achieve a perfect cup every time. Get ready to enjoy a healthful drink in just a few easy steps. For a standard 8-ounce cup, begin with about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder. If you prefer a stronger tea, you can increase the powder to 1.5 teaspoons. Remember, personal taste is key, so feel free to experiment. Using filtered water can also enhance the overall flavor profile of your tea, making it even more enjoyable. Once your water is heated to about 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, pour it directly over the Moringa powder in your mug. Stir thoroughly for about 30 seconds to ensure the powder fully dissolves and no clumps remain. Allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. This helps release its beneficial compounds. To customize your Moringa tea, try adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. A small piece of fresh ginger or a few mint leaves can also provide a delightful aromatic twist. If you prefer a smoother texture, simply strain the tea before drinking. Enjoy your healthful Moringa tea, whether you like it warm or chilled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.